So coming to question number 14. Okay, so this is also a type 3 question. How will you come to know? Let's go through. Budgeted sales is given to you. How much? 12,500. So this is what my units produced and units sold. Okay, is given. And what is the selling price? At the rate rupees 20 per unit. So that's my selling price per unit. Next, they have given you the bifurcation of variable as well as fixed cost. So just see your variable cost. You have direct material, direct labor, variable factory overheads, variable selling expense and variable office expense. Okay, तो ये सबको आप total करो. Is that clear? Okay, तो variable का पूरा column को आप total करो. How much is it? 3 plus 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the total of variable expense is how much? 12. Okay, next come to fixed cost. Okay, so you can see fixed factory, fixed selling, fixed admin. Okay, so 50 plus 26, 70, 70 plus 10 is 80,000. Clear? Is it clear to everyone? Just acknowledge it in the chat box. समझ में आया? Okay, great. Fine. Next, what do you have to calculate? PV ratio निकालना है आपको, BEP निकालना है. Again कुछ बोला नहीं है तो BEP in units and rupees both आपको find करना है. Next, profit at budgeted sales. That means 12,500 यूनिट्स पे कितना प्रॉफिट होगा, तो वो तो हमें स्टेटमेंट से मिल जाएगा. ठीक है. देन नेक्स्ट फोर्थ वन, यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट MOS at budgeted sales. Fine. 12,500 is the budgeted sales. What will be the margin of safety at 12,500 units? Again, we will apply the formula, we'll get it. Next, fifth one, the point number fifth makes it type 3 sum. Okay, point number fifth. What is says? आपको profit निकालना है. Profit if actual sales. So this is what? This is actually desired profit. Okay, yeah. Profit if actual sales. In that also they have given you two conditions. First is decrease by 20% from the budgeted sales, and next increase by 5% from the budgeted sales. Okay. So what's your budgeted sales? Budgeted sales कितना है? 12,500. So 12,500 का 20% decrease करो. ठीक है. So 12,500 minus 20, press the percentage sign and equal to sign. So it will come to 10,000 units. ठीक है. Next क्या बोला है? Budgeted sales का 5% increase. तो increase करो 5%. So 12,500 plus 5, press the percentage sign equal to. So my answer is 13,125 is my budgeted sales. So if the budgeted sales is 10,000 and 13,125 units, what will be your profit in future? Is that clear? Okay. So today I will tell you कि ये जो last part है, इसको हम statement से भी निकाल सकते हैं profit, और हम formula भी apply कर सकते हैं desired profit वाला. Okay, both the ways it will give you the same answer. Okay, clear about the question? Question समझ में आया सबको? Acknowledge it in the chat box. So now prepare your marginal cost sheet. Prepare this and keep. Okay. Marginal cost sheet, current year. Okay, revised 1, revised 2. दो conditions दिए ना आपको, तो दो extra columns बनेंगे. ठीक है. Revised 1, revised 2. अभी हमने देखा हमारा units produced sold कितना था, अभी calculate किया ना 10,000, and second case में कितना था 13,125. ठीक है. So whatever information you have calculated and is given, write it down. Whichever type of sum you start, always try to make a marginal cost sheet first. Put in the information that is given, and then sync with the information which is not given कि भाई कौन सा formula इस पे लगेगा तो ये वाला information मिलेगा. Okay, so that all, yeah, loop, it's a loop. एक loop मिलेगा दूसरा मिलेगा, तीसरा मिलेगा, like this. There's a connecting link. Okay, sales is given 20, variable cost just now we totaled 12, fixed cost 80. ठीक है, so let us calculate the amount column. Yeah, I hope everybody knows how to do that. Units sold multiplied with selling price. Right here, 2,50,000. Okay, next 12 multiplied with 12,500. 1,50,000. Okay, 2,50,000 minus 1,50,000 is how much? 1 lakh. Okay, 12 minus 20 minus 12 is 8. Okay, आप cross check भी कर सकते हो. 12,500 multiplied with 8. See, you get 1 lakh. Okay, 1 lakh minus 80, so my profit is 20. Okay, yeah. Coming on to the next one. First condition says that your what your budgeted sales will decrease by 20%. So my answer is 10,000. तो जो बोला है वो मैंने change कर दिया. ठीक है. Next, बाकी मैंने क्या बोला था? Other things will remain same or constant. तो same क्या रहेगा? Selling price per unit same रहेगा. Variable cost same रहेगा. Okay, yeah. Fixed cost same रहेगा. I hope you'll remember all this. So this was 20, so this will be 20. This was 12, so this will be 12. This was 80,000, so this will be 80,000. Okay, I hope it's clear. समझ में आ रहा है? Now calculate your amount column. 1 lakh, sorry, 10,000 multiplied with 20, 2 lakhs. So right here 2 lakhs. 10,000 multiplied with 12, so it is 1 lakh 20. 2 lakhs minus 1 lakh 20 is 80. 20 minus 12 is 8. You can cross check. 10,000 minus 8 is 80. Okay, 80 minus 80 is 0. So no profit, no loss. समझ में आया? Yeah. Is the revised one column clear to everyone? Revised one is clear. Okay, fine. Next, come to second. Units produced sold, we just calculated 13,125. Okay, 5% increase बोला है, right? तो 12,500 का 5% increase gave me 13,125. Same logic. Other things remaining the same. So 20, this is 12, this is 80. Okay, amount column calculate करो. 13,125 multiplied with 20. 2,62,500. Write it down. 2,62,500. Next, 13,125 into 12. 1,57,500. 1,57,500. So 1,05,000. 20 minus 12 is 8. Cross check your answer. 13,125 into 8. Yes, it's 1,05,000. Okay? Like that, you will cross check your answer. Minus 80,000 is my profit. Sorry, is my fixed cost. So my profit is 25,000. Okay? Fine. So I hope the table is very much clear to you now. Table is clear to everyone? I mean the marginal cost sheet statement. ओके फाइन, ग्रेट। चलो अभी क्या पूछा है वो हम फाइंड करते जाएंगे। या पहले क्या पूछा है, पीवी रेशियो पूछा है। ओके, वील कैलकुलेट पीवी रेशियो। सेकंड क्या पूछा है, बीईपी पूछा है, वील कैलकुलेट बीईपी आल्सो। ओके, to start with first PV ratio. So what is the formula? Contribution upon sales into 100. Okay. So what is the contribution? 8 rupees. Sales is 20. You can even take the amount column. Huh? I am taking the CPU column. It's very fine. 8 divided by 20 into 100. So my answer is 40%. Okay. Next क्या चाहिए, BEP. So let's calculate BEP. Same concept. You'll have to use both the formulas. BEP in units. At BEP, fixed cost is paid, and since your answer you want in units, you will divide with contribution per unit. So my fixed cost is how much? 80. Divide by contribution per unit is 8. So my answer is 10,000 units. Okay, next. BEP in rupees. Okay, BEP in rupees. The screen is visible to everyone. It is fixed cost upon PV ratio. So 80,000 divide by 40, press the percentage sign. So it's 2 lakhs. Fine. Screen share is visible to everyone. Just acknowledge it in the chat box. I guess there is an internet lag. Okay, it's visible. Chalo, great, nice. Fine. So PV is done, BEP is done. Next क्या चाहिए? Profit at budgeted sales. So third answer we have here in the statement itself. ये रहा. This is the third answer. This one. Profit at budgeted sales. 12,500 पे, this is my profit. Okay? And same thing what I was telling you is, हाँ, कि आप desired profit का formula भी use कर सकते हो. ये वाला जो हम use करते हैं ना, desired sales in, what do you call? Yeah. Desired sales in units is equal to fixed cost plus desired profit upon contribution per unit. Okay? So you can see हमारे पास डिज़ायर्ड यूनिट्स है, हाँ है 12,500. हमारे पास फिक्स कॉस्ट है, हाँ है 80,000. मुझे डिज़ायर्ड प्रॉफिट नहीं मालूम. कंट्रीब्यूशन इज 8. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई 12,500 into 12,500 into 8 is how much? 1 lakh. 1 lakh minus 80 is how much? 20. See, our answer is correct. समझ में आया? Are you guys understanding? समझा how to verify? Profit can be found in this manner also. You can get it from your marginal statement or you can use the formula. Okay? तो वो लोग ने क्या पूछा है? Profit at budgeted sales of 12,500. So that sales is my desired units and I am going to calculate my desired profit. So either you calculate it this way or you apply your formula and calculate. You will get the same answer. समझ में आ रहा है? Acknowledge it in the chat box. Did you all understand what did I say? 20,000 ka. How will you get 20,000? Either in the statement or you can apply the formula of desired sales. You will get the same answer. Okay? Acknowledge it in the chat box if it is clear. So my third part is also done. Next क्या पूछा है? MOS at budgeted sales. ठीक है. Next fourth one we will calculate MOS. Okay. So 1, 2 and fourth one. MOS. Again, nothing is mentioned, so we will calculate both units as well as rupees. So it is profit upon contribution per unit. Profit is how much? 20,000. Contribution is how much? 8. So 20,000 divided by 8. So 2,500 is my answer. 2,500 units. Okay, next MOS in rupees. Okay, so how will you get this? Profit upon PV ratio. How much is profit? 20,000. How much is PV ratio? 40%. Calculate 20,000 divided by 40, press the percentage sign. So my answer is 50,000. Okay, this completes my fourth part. Clear everyone? Okay, you can cross check your answer by using the other formula. MOS का other formula क्या है? Actual sales minus BEP sales. Okay, एक्चुअल सेल्स कितना है 12,500 यूनिट्स में, और बीईपी सेल्स कितना है 10,000 यूनिट्स में, कितना बचा 2,500 एमओएस इन यूनिट. सी इट मैचेस विद आवर आंसर. ओके, नेक्स्ट एक्चुअल सेल्स कितना है 2,50,000 और बीईपी सेल्स कितना है 2 lakhs बराबर. 2,50,000 is actual sales minus BP sales 2 lakhs rupees में. So what is the answer? 50. My answer of MOS in rupees is also 50. Okay. So you should know all the formulas. Apply one और दूसरा use करने का to verify the answer. Okay. Next. Next क्या पूछा है? Profit पूछा है under both the conditions. ओके मतलब वही डिज़ायर्ड प्रॉफिट और डिज़ायर्ड सेल्स दिया है. तो हम फॉर्मूला भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, बट यहाँ यूज़ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं बिकॉज आई हैव द रेडीमेड आंसर. ठीक है, सो सी दिस इज माय फिफ्थ पार्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन 5A and this is my 5B part of the question. Profit when sales is 10,000 and profit when sales is 13,125. ठीक है, जैसे अभी मैंने आपको ये 20,000 के लिए बताया, same fashion. Okay, yeah, you can use desired sales in units का formula, you will get the same answer. ठीक है, to verify, otherwise you have got direct answer from the statement itself. Okay, तो या तो स्टेटमेंट से प्रॉफिट मिलेगा या तो आप डिजायर सेल्स का फॉर्मूला लगाओ, यूनिट्स वाला रुपीज वाला, डिपेंडिंग ऑन द क्वेश्चन, एंड यू विल गेट द आंसर. क्लियर विद द सम एवरीवन? समझ में आया? इज द क्वेश्चन क्लियर टू एवरीवन? Okay, fine, great. Okay, so now let us move on to the next question. I'll discuss a question with you, take you to your, yeah. So ये 14th वाला भी हो गया है. Okay. Okay, chalo, let me discuss. 14th is done. Now you're not going to try this sum, huh? Question number 18. Okay, I'm discussing it with you all. Okay, just try this out. Okay, question number 18. A firm sells, okay, there is lag in net, that is why I'm not getting the options for, yeah, marker. Okay, just a minute. Let me try some other way. That will be better. Okay, so this way is working out. I mean, great. Okay, so let us discuss this part. Okay, a firm sells 25,000 units. Okay, so this is what my units produced and units sold at a selling price of 5 rupees per unit. So this is my selling price per unit. Fixed cost is how much? 40,000. Yeah, so this is the amount part. Variable expense is 50,000. So variable expense is also given of the amount part, not the CPU. तो CPU तो आप निकाल सकते हो, quantity दिया है, divide कर देना. ठीक है? Then find out BEP of the firm. Okay, now when I'm saying BEP, it has to be both units as well as rupees when the question is silent. Also find BEP when. Now they have given you 1, 2, 3, 4 conditions. पहला condition क्या है? What is the first condition? Revised condition 1. Okay, please note down. Revised 1 में क्या है? Selling price is increased by 30%. ठीक है? तो selling price is increased by 30%. How much is your selling price? 5 rupees. 5 rupees का 30% increase कर दो. तो 5 plus 30, press the percentage sign. So my answer is 6.5. Okay, so my selling price for the first condition will be 6.5. Okay, rest other things will remain same. वो भूलना मत. Okay, next revised condition 2. Next में क्या बोला है? Fixed cost will increase by 15%. तो how much is my fixed cost? 40,000. तो 40,000 plus 15% increase. Okay, तो 40,000 plus 15%. कितना हुआ? 46. तो my fixed cost will be 46. Okay, this is fixed cost changing. ये selling price वाला है और ये fixed cost वाला है. ठीक है, rest other things will remain same. वो भूलना नहीं. ठीक है, next revised 3. next में क्या बोला है? Fixed cost will decrease by 25%. Okay, so how much is my fixed cost? 40. 25% decrease, so minus 25. So 40,000 minus 25, press the percentage sign. So it is 30,000. So my fixed cost will be 30,000. And don't forget, other things will remain same. वो मत भूलना. और last क्या पूछा है? Revised condition 4. Selling price will decrease by 20%. How much is my selling price? 5. Decrease by 20%. Solve it. 5 minus 20, press the percentage sign. So my answer is 4 rupees. Okay, समझ में आ रहा है? Rest other things will remain same. ठीक है? Clear? Just acknowledge in the chat box. Clear, everyone? Yeah, great. Okay, so try this summer.